City girls gotta move it. I got city girls staying with the grooving. Rule one machine.
Hello everybody, I'm Susie. In this video, I'm going to create this look. Just started them, but I'm going to apply the 24 Gold Skincare Foundation Cream. I'm just taking this much and with this brush, like this. I don't know why I have a redness in here. Nuts. In winters, it happens. Like different things happens, but yeah. Why I look like a Santa Claus. The beard. The second step is the concealer. Like it's Chinese concealer. Chinese. This way, the corners. There, and a little bit this here. Now I'm taking this. Third step is eyes. This one, and it's nude holiday vibes. 7. Wow. Really. Okay, let's open it, and I'm going to apply this one and this one. I'll make a mix of that. First, I'm taking this one. I'm taking this one. Blend in the corners like this. Okay. Take this like this, and do this. Okay. You're making up my finger. And with this like. Yeah. Now this one. This the eyeliner and here also. Clean. Scar out. Now it's time for the sheet. Okay, I'm going to apply. Which one should I apply? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tick, 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 tick. B. I'll choose this one. It's good. We'll see the progress hit of this one. Here. Okay. Okay, can you see the difference? My wrinkles favorite part. Highlighter. Little bit here. Little bit. Now it's curve. It's lipstick. What's this? It smells. Guys, this is the final look.